Hey witches, Tiffany here on Bewitching.Bemused if you don't already know me. Today I really want to cover some creative and unique ways that you can use moon water. A big reason I want to talk about this is because I feel that there are a ton of videos and articles and blog posts out there that tell you all these ways you can use moon water, but a lot of them are the same. I'll just have like a scrolling thing over here so we can include those in our list. Now, just because I'm seeing the same suggestions over and over again, it doesn't mean that they're ineffective just because they're popular. In fact, I think that's a testament to their efficacy. But, you know, I like to get creative and play outside of the box. So I wanted to compile a list in video format of just a few creative ways that you can play around with moon water. Now, I'm not just talking about full moon water. Again, that is one of the more popular ones and it can be used for just about everything. But I'm also talking new, dark, waning, and waxing moon waters as well. Which one you use just kind of depends on what your intention is in using it and with that action. For a little bit more information on how to use different moon phases, I have a video all about that I recently released about moon phases and their associations that you can find linked down in the comment box below, and it'll pop up on one of these two corners on the screen. So here's some fun ways that I like to use moon water for myself, in my home, and in my magic. And if there are more unique ways that you utilize moon water in your craft and in your life that I didn't list in this video, please leave those in the comments below. Let's go ahead and do this. On yourself. If you're like me and you do your nails on a regular basis, you can paint some moon water onto your bare nails and then allow that to dry before applying your polish. I find this to be especially effective for myself because I do so much work with my hands and not so much with tools like athames or wands. If you want some lunar energy on your actual person for the day, try putting some moon water in your steamer before steaming your clothes, or sprinkle it directly onto the clothes before ironing them. This is also beautifully symbolic if you are starting something new or you're going through a change or transition. Use some new moon water. You are literally smoothing out those wrinkles. You are creating a smooth transition. You are also altering your clothes from a wrinkle state to a smooth state. So you are using that new moon water for change, transformation from something like old and rumply and into something new and smooth and sleek. Kind of see where I'm going with that? Use it to make rose water, or add even just a few drops to your favorite body spray, facial toner, moisturizer, or perfume. Now make sure not to add too much because you don't want to dilute them. Wash the lenses of your glasses with moon water to enhance how you view the world in your home. Make some ice cubes with your moon water, whether that's just to chill a drink or so you can save that moon water in a very fresh state for later on. You can even add in some herbs or some flower petals to add a little extra correspondence in there, and each cube in the tray can be for a different intention. So long as the water and its container are clean, of course, preferably filtered or distilled, you can use moon water to replace regular water in any type of cooking. Add your lunar water to aromatherapy diffusers. Use it to draw sigils, runes, or protective symbols on your windows, walls, and doors. Splash some into your pool or hot tub. Use it in your humidifier. Incorporate it into your craft work, whether that's witchy craft work or not, by using it for watercolors, sculpting, or really any arts and crafts that need water. If you're so inclined, use it for your bong water in magic. Hey witches, just interrupting really fast to say, if you're enjoying this video so far, please consider giving it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you're looking for more ways to support my channel, you can find a link to my Patreon down below in the description box. When creating your pages for your Book of Shadows or your grimoire, if you're one of those people that like to age them up by soaking them in coffee or tea, use your moon water to make that coffee or tea. That's a great way to just literally enchant your Book of Shadows with moon water. In that same vein, make a magical ink with it for writing in your Book of Shadows or grimoire, or writing down your petitions or intentions. Place out a bowl of moon water right on your altar or outside as an offering, or you can float candles in it. Dab or spray full moon water onto your pillow to encourage psychic dreams. Sprinkle, spray, or wipe it on the floor to mark out the perimeter of your magic circle or sacred space. Someone recommended this one to me, and I haven't actually tried it myself, but it sounds really cool. Take a balloon, fill it with moon water, freeze it, then cut the balloon away and use it as a scrying orb as opposed to a crystal ball. Just make sure to use it in short bursts and then like refreeze it afterward. You don't want to leave it on your altar. Drink a glass of clean and fresh moon water after any spell or ritual to help replenish your energy. And finally, anoint everything. You want more money? Anoint your cash with waxing moon water. Anoint your wallet too. Want to get rid of debt? Anoint your bills with waning moon water. Anything you want to manifest in your life, find a symbol or an image of it and anoint it with full moon water. The possibilities with this one are absolutely endless. Okay, that was just a few to get you going, give you some ideas, and get those creative juices flowing. If you have any other ideas that either you come up with or you've already been using, please leave those in the comments below. I'm always looking for more ways to get creative with my craft, and so I'd love to hear your ideas. I think that's it for today, witches. So with that, I'm just gonna say I love you all. I'll see you next time, but in the meantime, stay magical.